They do their work diligently with all their hard work. Diligent means like who obeys, a person who does it with discipline.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so why I've written this is because if we just talk about things that no, we should not force a child to work and they should be left. So in that way, no child will definitely study, right? So that is not my opinion. My opinion is that we should make them aware that if they work hard, they will get success. They will achieve success.
Uh-huh.
Okay,
Okay.
so this is my opinion.
Mm.
We should not completely stop ourselves from being negligent towards their hard work or anything. We should at least make them try. Later on, whatever they are able to achieve, whatever goals they are able to achieve, they will do that.
Mm.
Right?
Okay.
So that is the opinion. Your opinion can differ. You can have a different opinion if you want. It's nothing like that.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so here it will be merit, only one merit. Explain that and put an example. Here it there will be only one demerit. Explain that an example.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. Any questions from the advantage disadvantage essay?
Mm,
The method is
so
going to be the same.
yeah, it's same. So two examples and opinion. Okay. All right. Okay. Can I? Okay, you're gonna share that with me, correct?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I will
Okay.
share.
Okay.
And we are also going to do one task one.
Same format. P1, P2, P3, P4, conclusion, plus opinion. So in that essay, the conclusion and opinion is that I write the conclusion first, then opinion second, or the opinion first, conclusion last.
In the advantage disadvantage essay,
Yeah, yeah.
you write the opinion and the conclusion.
Okay. Opinion and the conclusion. And conclusion. Okay. Four paragraphs with example. Same format. Now I need to start writing these essays in a notepad because when I'm writing the Word document, sometimes it autocorrect my spellings.
Yeah.
So I need to be start writing notepad.
So we did by part. Okay, we're going to do a process question today.
Process question.
Yeah, you remember? You know, process question.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. The task one process question.
Yes.
Yeah, I have never done such a question. Three times I have done exams. It never came the process question.
Okay. All right.
That is one of the things that I was really scared of. Like to be honest.
Okay. The process is not really difficult. First of all, you need to understand the process. Okay. So if you see this is log, it is chopped, it is dipped into ammonium phosphate, it is dried, then there is this hopper, the blower blows the wind definitely. There is this metal duct from where it goes and then it is dipped into the chemical tank. From there it passes on through this inserter, then it goes to the perforated steel belt in the drying area. Then there is this paraffin wax and based chemical tank. So here it is dipped in both of them and then it is packed. From the inserter belt, it is dipped into the paraffin wax and it is dipped into the base chemical tank. After which it passes through the dryer. After it is dried, it is packed. So it is a very clear process. Like say the arrows are making it very obvious, right?
Mm.
So the process, uh, the format will be the same: introduction, overview, body para 1, body para 2. Okay, everything has to be written in passive voice. What is passive voice? We will see what is passive voice here itself. Now, there is one line introduction only. The given process illustrates the manufacturing of matchsticks.
Okay.
Okay, now read from here, looking from an overall perspective.
Looking from an overall perspective, it is clear that before matchsticks are packed,
Mm.
they pass through a series stages such as peeling, chopping, and drying, and also undergo various chemical treatments.
So we have mentioned the names of the stages that it passes through. Okay, now
To commence with, wooden logs are first peeled by a blade to get a thin sheet of veneer.
veneer. It's already written over here. Veneer.
Okay.
See,
Um,
this is log. See, veneer. It is peeled and it is made into thin sheets of veneer.
okay. So, do they, in that kind of a process, do they give what is this manufacturing process is? Look, I mean, what's the name?
Yeah, they do name it. This
Ah,
is
did they do name it?
they do name it. So if you can see here, it is written how matchsticks are
Wow, nice.
manufactured.
Okay, all right, okay, okay, okay. So I know what is it making. Okay.
Now see
Uh,
here, wooden logs are first peeled by a blade to get thin sheet of veneer. Several of these are chopped and are dipped. So chopped, are dipped. So this is passive voice.
chopped is past tense, isn't it?
It
And
is
are
past
dipped.
tense. Are dipped, are chopped, are peeled. So these all are into passive voice.
Uh-huh.
What is active voice? Active voice is what? Peel the wooden log. This is active voice. But passive voice, wooden logs are peeled. This is how you change it into passive voice.
So it's always comes in the first.
Yes, yes.
Uh-huh.
Moving further,
Okay. Moving further, these sticks are blown with air in the hopper, which is then passed through a metal duct into the chemical plant. Okay, where the tips of the stick is colored. Okay, is colored in black powder, which
ignite.
igni- ignites the matchsticks. In the subsequent stage, all the matchsticks are filled in the inserter, which insert them into a fronted conveyor belt. Lastly,
Conveyor belt.
before
Conveyor belt.
conveyor belt, lastly, before they are being dried and packed, these sticks are coated with paraffin wax and base chemical.
So this is all about the task one. It's only this much because we have explained everything here. Paraffin wax,
Okay.
base chemicals.
For this kind of a process, you have to divide the picture divided into two sections, correct?
Yeah, just
The
hold on.
paragraph one is until up to one stage, and the paragraph two is from that stage to end of stage.
1 second. Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah. So any yeah, we were discussing about this thing. This is all the words that they are used: peeled, veneer, paraffin wax. This is all there in the process. You have to look at the process and write every step.
Uh-huh.
Okay, paragraph 1, you can complete your process till here. Then paragraph 2 onwards, you can start from here and complete it to packaging.
Mm.
Right? What is important over here in using the words like moving further, in the subsequent stages, okay, lastly, these are the words that are important here.
So,
Further, yeah.
what if we use like a firstly, secondly, thirdly?
Now that looks very basic. You can use the words firstly, secondly. You can also use lastly. But here, if you move to the second paragraph, you can write moving further, or here you can write in the subsequent stages. This looks a little more organized, and it looks like a mature person is writing. What I believe is firstly, secondly, thirdly are very basic words.
Okay.
So we need to write something which is little a mature person writes like that.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Anything, any confusion or any doubt in the process?
Not exactly. So only thing is
Hmm.
I'm confused with the passive voice because uh,
Suppose if I give you a statement like, suppose if you see the diagram here itself. So we do not write exactly like the here we cannot write the matchsticks goes into the matchsticks pass through the or are passed through the inserter like this. The matchsticks pass through the inserter, no, are passed through the inserter. Like this we write. This is passive
uh-huh.
voice. Okay, let
Okay.
me give you one process and maybe you can just tell me how you will write it. Did Jessica ma'am share the process question with you?
Mm, no.
Okay, one second. I'm opening here on WhatsApp. Did ma'am share the image with you, the process question?
Um, mm, no, I don't have anything.
Okay, I'll just share the screen.